Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your makeup last best in summer. First, start with a clean canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your face to remove any excess oil or impurities. Next, apply a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that includes at least SPF 30. This protects your skin and provides a hydrated, yet non-greasy base. Finish with a mattifying primer to help your makeup adhere better and control shine throughout the day. Selecting the right products is crucial for summer longevity. Look for foundations and concealers labeled as waterproof or water-resistant. These formulas are designed to withstand humidity and sweat. For eyes, cream or gel-based eyeshadows are less likely to crease than powders. Always choose smudge-proof mascara and eyeliner to prevent raccoon eyes, ensuring your look stays fresh for many hours. How you apply your makeup significantly impacts its staying power. Instead of heavy layers, apply thin, even coats of product, building coverage gradually where needed. This prevents caking and helps everything meld seamlessly. After applying liquid and cream products, lightly dust with a translucent setting powder. Finally, lock everything in place with a generous mist of a long-lasting setting spray. Even with the best preparation, a midday refresh can be helpful. Instead of adding more powder immediately, gently blot away any excess oil using blotting papers. If needed, lightly reapply powder only to the areas that appear shiny, like your T-zone. Carrying a small facial mist can also help refresh your skin and makeup without disturbing your carefully applied look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.